I recently purchased this insulated lunch bag for my niece, and she couldn't be happier with her choice. The design is sleek and stylish, making it suitable for both work, school, and casual outings. The insulation does an excellent job of keeping her meals fresh throughout the day. She tested it with various foods, and everything has stayed at the right temperature by lunchtime. The spacious interior comfortably fits my lunch containers and snacks, while the durable material feels high quality and easy to clean. I also appreciate the versatility of this bag. It's perfect for picnics, travel, and daily use, and the comfortable handles make it easy for her to carry. Overall, this lunch tote is practical, well-made, and a great addition to her daily routine. Highly recommend for anyone looking for a reliable and stylish lunch solution, and I hope this review helps.